Did you know that ladybugs look like little tiny alligators when they're first born? They're so gross. Oh, hey there. I'm Sarah from Simply STEAM. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 activities that I love to do to teach my students about the ladybug life cycle. Like butterflies, they go through the same complete metamorphosis process. There are 4 stages of life in the ladybug life cycle. They go from egg to larva to pupa to adult. Last week, I talked about the butterfly life cycle and how I like the pavilion for that. There's also a ladybug habitat from Insect Lore that I love as well. Once you order this little pavilion, they're going to send you a tube with the little ladybug larva, the little ladybug alligators inside of it. You're going to put these in the habitat and cover it up. From there, students can watch as the larva turn into pupa. And honestly, it just looks like a little bitty brown piece of dirt. But eventually, a ladybug comes out from this muddy shell-looking thing. Once my kids see what the eggs look like and the larva stage and the pupa stage and all that, we go outside for a ladybug hunt. This is so cool because my students found a whole bunch of ladybugs on the side of our building, but not in the form of ladybugs. They found them pupating. One student found a blade of grass that actually had the columns of eggs laid on the grass. So we thought, well, why not bring them and put them into our ladybug pavilion? Okay, it got really weird. Like they started eating each other, so I don't recommend that. Just get them from Insect Lore. The third thing that we like to do is we like to model using our STEM boxes. Again, you can put your students in groups or have them do it individually. Students can model what each stage of the life cycle looks like, and you can do a walking museum with your students. For a walking museum, I tell my students that they are not allowed to touch anything. They have to look with their peepers. So we walk around the classroom like this, looking through our peepers at all of the incredible models. If you're looking for a place to record all these learnings, I have this adorable Ladybug lap book that's in my TPT shop. I like to use this book right here, and we learn about what a ladybug needs in their habitat in order to survive. From there, students create their own ladybug habitat model to make it a happy ladybug. So I'm curious to know, which of these ladybug activities have you tried? If you're learning about butterflies, make sure you watch this other YouTube video about butterfly life cycles. If you like these activities, make sure you give them a thumbs up. Want to know more? Make sure you subscribe to the Simply STEAM YouTube channel. That's all. I'll see you next week.